Snappa, a user-friendly graphic design tool, offers various opportunities to earn money online in the year 2024. Here are the top 18 ways to make money using Snappa. 1. Freelance graphic design. Utilize Snappa's templates and design elements to create graphics for clients. Charge an hourly rate or per project basis. 2. Sell design templates. Create unique and high-quality design templates using Snappa and sell them on marketplaces like GraphicRiver or Envato Elements. Set your own price and earn a commission on each sale. 3. Offer design services for social media campaigns. Use Snappa to create social media graphics for businesses and organizations. Charge a fee per post or per campaign. 4. Create and sell design courses. Use Snappa to create design courses for beginners or advanced users. Sell them on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare and earn a commission on each sale. 5. Design and sell print-on-demand products. Use Snappa to create designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Sell them on platforms like Printful or Teespring and earn a commission on each sale. 6. Provide design consulting services. Snappa to provide design consulting services to businesses and organizations. Charge an hourly rate or per project basis. 7. Create and sell design resources. Use Snappa to create design resources like icons, illustrations, and backgrounds. Sell them on marketplaces like CreativeMarket or GraphicRiver and earn a commission on each sale. 8. Offer design coaching services. Use Snappa to provide design coaching services to individuals looking to improve their design skills. Charge an hourly rate or per session basis. 9. Provide design support services. Use Snappa to provide design support services to businesses and organizations. Charge an hourly rate or per project basis. 10. Design and sell digital products. Use Snappa to create digital products like ebooks, guides, and templates. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable and earn a commission on each sale. 11. Provide design training services. Use Snappa to provide design training services to businesses and organizations. Charge an hourly rate or per session basis. 12. Design and sell design kits. Use Snappa to create design kits for specific themes or niches. Sell them on marketplaces like CreativeMarket or GraphicRiver and earn a commission on each sale. 13. Provide design mentorship services. Use Snappa to provide design mentorship services to individuals looking to advance their design careers. Charge an hourly rate or per session basis. 14. Design and sell design resources bundles. Use Snappa to create design resources bundles for specific themes or niches. Sell them on marketplaces like CreativeMarket or GraphicRiver and earn a commission on each sale. 15. Provide design consulting services for startups. Use Snappa to provide design consulting services to startups. Charge an hourly rate or per project basis. 16. Design and sell design resources packs. Use Snappa to create design resources packs for specific themes or niches. Sell them on marketplaces like CreativeMarket or GraphicRiver and earn a commission on each sale. 17. Provide design consulting services for nonprofit organizations. Use Snappa to provide design consulting services to nonprofit organizations. Charge an hourly rate or per project basis. 18. Design and sell design resources collections. Use Snappa to create design resources collections for specific themes or niches. Sell them on marketplaces like CreativeMarket or GraphicRiver and earn a commission on each sale.